Hello there, my name is Anish Lakapradar, and today on this video we're going to be teaching you on how you can invest as a teenager under 18 in the stock market and make money to achieve your financial goals. This video is going to be talking about how you can invest as a teenager and the really good steps that you could take. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. The learning part, where I'm going to talk about how you can learn the stock market and that kind of stuff, and then the fun part where you open up the account, you deposit some money, all that kind of stuff. Most of it will be spent on the learning. So on to the learning part. Now, when you learn, you could do what some people like. You could read financial reports. This one's a financial report by Invesco on QQQ. It's a report to shareholders. Or you could read books. And yes, these are great things to do, but they are boring. Or they're boring for some people. So I would like to recommend and advise you to use maybe a little more interesting situation in conjunction to, printed text sources. And those would be stock simulators. Now, stock simulators are the exact same thing as the real thing except one. Now, what they're similar in the real markets is that it's the same market, same stocks, same AAPL, and same NKE that you would see in the real stock market, exact same prices. Only difference, and it's same order, same everything pretty much. Only difference is that it is virtual money. Virtual meaning fake, and the reason that that stock simulators are helpful is because it's virtual money, right? Or fake money. You're able to have a no risk and when you start, and that'll allow you to have these cool-headed, rational decisions that will really let you think. Now, one thing I like to address about this no risk situation, because it's no risk, right? When you lose money, you're just gonna shrug your shoulders like you really don't care. So what I'm trying to tell you is that we're trying to make the simulator and the real investing as similar as possible. And how would you do that? Well, you would want to have some importance, some sort of weight to your account value, or like the amount of money that you're making, right? You would want it to be worth something. Because after all, in the real markets, I don't think you would want to lose money. So in order to add some sort of importance, you could do competitions. Now, this is where we talk about different simulators and the nuances between them. And a competition, simply put, it's very easy to understand, self-explanatory pretty much. People are competing, they each have accounts, they buy different stocks. Whoever has the highest account value, it goes up the list, pretty much like that. So first place has the highest account value in the whole competition. Now, if you wanted to start a competition or you wanted to play in a competition, there are some places to go that will host such competitions and stock simulators. For stock simulators and competitions, some three that I recommend are Wall Street Survivor, Investopedia, and MarketWatch. Definitely consider using those three. These aren't the only simulations, but they're pretty good. And let's say you want to create a game, right, or a competition, and you just go to MarketWatch, click Create Game, and then you can invite some of your friends, you can invite some of your family members, you can invite your affiliate Decker Club or your investors club, and you could compete with them, and then your account value would have some sort of importance. And that's what I'm really trying to say. Now, let's say that you don't want to create a game, you can go to Investopedia. They have tons of competitions there. Just click sign up one, and you're ready to go, basically. And all of these three simulations are nice. So what was the fourth one I'm talking about? I'm talking about Thinkorswim. Thinkorswim is a trading platform. For those of you guys that don't know, basically what I'm going to say is that, let's just say, to explain what a trading platform is, TD Ameritrade is this brokerage that makes investing accounts that your parents may use. Now, your parents may not be investors, and they may not be day traders per se, or they may not work at Wall Street, but they may invest on the side, which is good. And so they may invest at their home, and there are people who invest and trade for a living. They're called like day traders, for example. The tools day traders use, the platforms, the websites, the applications, they're all much different than the tools the investor would use. So TD Ameritrade, I'm not sponsored to saying this, has made, it's been pretty helpful, and they have created a platform that day traders on Wall Street can use to really help them. That platform is called Thinkorswim. And once you see the website and once you see Thinkorswim, you'll be able to understand what I'm talking about. Now, on Thinkorswim, there's a paper money, which is like simulation virtual stuff, and then there's there's the live trading, which is the real money. The reason I recommend Thinkorswim is that you want to work on Wall Street. Well then, you're going to be using the same tools as Thinkorswim, so might as well familiarize yourself with those tools that are used on Thinkorswim as fast as possible. So if you want to familiarize yourself and you want to be comfortable using the Wall Street kind of tools, then you should use Thinkorswim. Even if you have a 10%, 5%, or 20% thinking that you're going to use, it's going to be on Wall Street, you should still check out Thinkorswim because it's going to help you with your level. Thinkorswim does not do competitions, so you should definitely use simulations for competitions. But they do use, they have chat rooms, which are pretty helpful, and they also have an online learning service, which is pretty good together. So now, once you feel like you really know what you're doing, you know it's not luck, and you'll get that luck here, trust me, then you're ready to transfer from the simulation to the real investing. Now, how would you do this? You can, it's a bummer for me to say this, but when you're under 18 as a teenager, there is no possible way for you to invest in an account that is completely not affiliated with your parents, or like a complete separate entity. So yeah, that's pretty sad. So what you could do is you could open a custodial account, and then we're going to talk about another option. So a custodial account is what it does is it's pretty much made by like the big brokerages like TD Ameritrade, which makes Thinkorswim on side note, and then also Charles Schwab, Vanguard, E-Trade. These are all very big brokerages, and they create custodial accounts so that your parents can have access to funds for like your financial future, but it's going to be held in your name. So it could say Anish Lakapradana, and then the fund would be controlled by my parents, and I could use that custodial account to fund trade. Another way of me trading in the stock market, or investing, I should say, another way for me to go about investing would be to ask my parents, do you have an excess account? This is how it can work. Your parents can say, I have an account I'm not using, here's the password, we're going to withdraw deposit some money, rest is yours, and yeah, that would work fantastic too. Both options work as usual. Whatever you do, don't like steal your parents' control and then use that to create another account, because you don't need to delve into that. You're probably going to get sued, and it's not a fun way to go. So just to recap, you can read investor reports, books, but you probably would like stock simulations, and to make it as similar to the real deal, use competitions. Competitions can be found on MarketWatch, Wall Street Survivor, Investopedia, Thinkorswim. Not Thinkorswim, but I'll also help you. That's another bonus later. I'll put the links to all of these in the description below to really help you guys out. And yeah, and then you can transfer, you can use custodial accounts, or you can use your bank account. And that's really it for today's video. If you like what you saw, make sure to hit the like button below. Keep coming here for more content. We're pretty much going to post more content on how you can become a better investor, reach your financial goals, all of that good stuff, so make sure to subscribe. Please share this to your DECA Affiliate Investors Club. That could really help us out at this channel. And yeah, share it to anyone who you think might enjoy it. If you have anything you particularly want to see or any questions, make sure to drop them down in the question box below. Turn on notifications. And yeah, really just thank you guys for watching. Really means a lot. And see you in the next video.